Hi there, my name is Deidre Green. Welcome back to the 30-Day Style Challenge. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this whole thing. I hope that you've been having fun and learning a ton because I've been having fun sharing my tips with you. So today, this one is a big one because I feel like people just take it for granted. Um, you need to read the label when you buy your clothing. You need to understand what it's going to take to care for that particular garment. And if it's not something that falls within your lifestyle, then don't buy it. I mean, if you know you're not going to make it to the dry cleaner, every couple of weeks or so often, or however often you go to the dry cleaner, then don't buy that particular item. If you know you're a kind of wash and go type of person, or if that's the lifestyle that you like to flow in, then don't buy a ton of things that have to go to the dry cleaner. I mean, you're never going to wear them, or worse, you're going to wind up trying to wash them and ruining them. So take the time to read the label on your garments. Now, I know that you're never going to be able to get out of never going to the dry cleaner or things like that or something like that, but it's really just more important that you shop consciously and you think about, does this garment fit me and my style and what I like to do? I mean, is am I gonna have to iron this every time that I wear it? If you don't like to iron, then don't buy that garment. I mean, I you will never see me with a wrinkled garment on, but I don't like to iron. So I don't have a ton of things in my closet that require me to do so. So that's just a simple tip for you when you're shopping for your clothing. Think about, what you're gonna think about your lifestyle and the care that it's gonna take to, preserve that garment. It's very important that we take care of our clothing. You never know, like, you could go through anything financially at any point in time, and your clothes might have to stretch a little bit longer than you initially thought that they would. So, take the time to care about the garment and let it have the chance to, get you your money's worth. Essentially, you don't want to wear something once and ruin it. So that's my simple tip for you today. Read the label and take your clothes to the cleaners if that's what it requires. Thanks. Have a great day.